Have you ever wondered why we're so obsessed with leaving Earth? I mean, why is Elon Musk so laser-focused on getting us to Mars? It seems like a strange priority, right? Well, what if the reason isn't about exploration or pioneering a new frontier? What if it's because we found out that Earth doesn't belong to us anymore? Let's rewind a bit. Back in 1958, NASA was founded. If you look at their original mission statement, it wasn't just about the stars. It also included exploring the deep oceans. It makes sense. The ocean is a vast, unknown world right here on our planet. But then, something strange happened. In 1978, NASA abruptly canceled their entire ocean exploration program. 100% of their budget was suddenly redirected to space travel. The official story they gave the public was that it was all about the space race, about beating the Russians to the moon and beyond. It was a convenient explanation that everyone accepted. But what if that wasn't the whole truth? A former hydroacoustics engineer who claims to have worked on one of these early projects tells a very different story. He says they found something down there, deep in the Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the ocean. This is the part they allegedly scrubbed from all the history books, the part they don't want you to know. They weren't just mapping the ocean floor and finding interesting rock formations. They found a door. According to this engineer, during a deep-sea mapping mission, their sonar equipment hit something impossible. It was a massive structure made of what looked like obsidian. It was perfectly smooth, with clean, geometric lines, and it was humming with a strange, low-frequency energy. This thing wasn't natural. It was clearly artificial, and it was miles wide. Think about that. A structure of that scale, hidden beneath 7 miles of water. But here's where it gets truly terrifying. Moments after their sonar pinged this mysterious object, the ocean temperature in the immediate area spiked by a shocking 30 degrees. It was as if their little sonar pulse had woken something up. Something massive had just turned on. Ever since that incident, the engineer claims, NASA's true mission has been a desperate search for a new planet. They're not exploring space out of curiosity. They're looking for an evacuation route. They're looking for a lifeboat for humanity. They always say we know more about the surface of the moon than we do about the bottom of our own ocean. Maybe there's a good reason for that. Maybe it's because the moon isn't actively trying to kill us. So, are we running from something? Is there a ticking clock we don't know about, hidden in the crushing depths? Tell us your theory in the comments below, and subscribe to Midnight Confessions for more of the truth they don't want you to find. Thanks for watching.